We track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Welcome back to KIMT News 3 at 6. Getting to your forecast now with Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Aaron White. Aaron, the rain is probably making a round too, isn't it?
Yeah, we're already tracking a couple showers out there right now, but the storms still holding off for the time being. They are still well to our west in northwest Iowa. Parts of Minnesota already seeing some storms and even severe weather. For us, though, we're okay at the moment, but we are going to be tracking those storms rolling in as we go through the course of the evening. Right now, live look over downtown Rochester. A little darker clouds as we're looking at a few sprinkles making their way in. It is warm. We have that humidity. Dew points are up to 71 right now, so that's making it feel like it is at 86. So it is rather muggy here this afternoon, this evening. And Mason City, a little bit warmer, 84 over a dew point of 72. That makes it feel like it is currently 90 degrees. And we're looking towards the south and west. Can't really see the thunderstorms quite yet. They're still quite far away from Mason City. But as we look at satellite and radar, you'll see the specks of green here, just a few sprinkles, not really much to worry about at the present time. But to the south and west, they are west of Fort Dodge, between Fort Dodge and Sioux City. That is some of the storms that we are going to be watching roll in. But here's a look at just those few sprinkles rolling in right now. The storm right near Storm Lake, that's going to be making its way to the north and east, bringing that potential for some high wind gusts, torrential rainfall, and you can see it there, a lot of lightning with that complex of thunderstorms. So that is what we're going to be focused in on here over the course of the next several hours, as we do have severe thunderstorm watches in effect for parts of North Iowa, including Mason City, Clear Lake, and Forest City, back towards Omaha and Council Bluffs. Meanwhile, the yellow, that is a tornado watch that is in effect until 8 p.m. Severe weather has been holding to the north in central and northern Minnesota, so we kind of are split between two areas of storms, but it's going to be the southern one that is set to move in as we go through this evening. So getting closer to about 8, 9 o'clock is when we'll likely see those storms moving in across Mason City, Austin, and Rochester. Moving towards the east rather slowly, so by 10 p.m. everything starts to weaken, but heavy rainfall will be a concern. So it's up until about 8, maybe 9 o'clock that our severe weather threat would be. Otherwise, we're just looking at some heavy rainfall, with rainfall amounts potentially over 1 inch, maybe as high as 2 inches with some of those thunderstorms. So we are going to be watching for that potential flash flooding being a possibility as we go through this evening into the early part of tonight. Then as we look ahead to the rest of the forecast, we do have the chance for a couple sprinkles here early Wednesday morning. Otherwise, more showers and storms are back in the forecast as we get towards your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We'll see that here in the 7-day forecast, where the weekend is always in view. Kicking off summer here on Thursday with 77 and the chance for thunderstorms, and then more warm temperatures and storms here for Friday and Saturday. But then Sananda, we're looking ahead to sunny skies and nicer weather here next week.